Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to delete Bluetooth device on Honda Civic 2016. Firstly, make sure your car is in park, then switch on the radio system. Tap the phone icon or button usually located to the left of the radio screen. On the display, press Phone Setup. Use the radio dial or knob to scroll down and look for System Clear. This clears all paired devices. Instead of System Clear, scroll to and select Bluetooth Setup. Scroll to Delete Device, then choose the device you want to delete from the list. Just select it again, and when prompted, select Yes to confirm the deletion. And that's it. The selected device will be removed from the car system, freeing up space to pair a new one. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.